What's up, guys? We're by the channel. What we're going to be doing today was going to be playing iRacing and talking, but iRacing is kind of update, and it messed up my steering wheel a little bit, so I got to figure out what's going on with my my setup here. It just vibrates as I'm playing, so we're just a little talk video real quick. So what we got going on right now is, listen, I think a lot of you guys are subscribed to see the go-kart stuff, which I'm going to start focusing a little bit on soon. But the other thing I want to ask you guys is, what would you guys be interested in exactly? So we got the go-kart stuff, which we can do to improve, you know, the actual go-kart itself, and like being not just a one-wheel drive go-kart, but as well as a full solid axle and rear go-kart, so actually put power to the ground and stuff, making it run better. We also got to fix the engine, because the engine has a broken piece, which I gotta find in my room or basement down here, which it's somewhere down here or in my room, which I gotta find it. It's the magneto. I gotta find that. Then I gotta replace the coil on it too, and the flywheel. Other than that, we also have LS Frank, which is our LS Mustang, which is our 2003 Mustang LS 5.3 liter. No turbo on it yet, or supercharger or anything like that. I'm gonna go turbo. Dual, single, not sure yet. We're gonna power glide it. I just don't know if we're gonna. I do have a power glide over there, but I don't know if I'll use that one or find another one. Right now it's P56, 6-speed in it, which is a manual transmission. When I built it at the time, I love manual, which I still love it. But racing wise, I think I want to stick with power glide, just because it's more competitive, it's easier to go with and stuff like that. As of like racing wise, and getting involved in like certain racing practice and stuff. So I think I'm gonna do that. We also got just said that again. We got Rango, which is just our Danger Ranger truck, which is done at Cleveland Farmland's Freedom Factory track. It's going to be in October this year, and then maybe they'll do it in February next year. I don't know if they did it twice technically. Well, I did it twice. I drove down last October, then the hurricane hit, and I had to drive all the way back home. Then we did it in February. So yeah. So we got October race coming up soon. What else is there? So we got that. So we don't know. Do you guys want to see a whole new build on Rango? Do you want to see Rango be rebuilt more? Do you want to see a whole new Ranger truck build? Let me know down in the comments as well for that. Other than that, I also have a destructive car series, which I'm going to be doing soon with a Jeep Cherokee. So anything you ever wanted to do in a car, comment down below how you want to see a car be destroyed, tortured, or what you want to see done to it. Just let me know down in the comments what you want to see done to this. I'm going to destroy this thing. I don't think it's anything, but what do you want to see be done to this thing? What is the darkest desire to see a car be destroyed and crumbled and just boom in the end of the video? So comment that down below. I would love to hear it, because in regard to that series, I don't know when exactly. Very soon probably, because I gotta get that car out of there and put it right here. So yeah. So let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see. What's the most interesting one? The go-kart, destructive series, Rango, or the LS Mustang Frank, which is Frankenstein. So other than that, short video, nothing too crazy. Like that doing iRacing, but it has some. Well, it's not there anymore. I just took it off the screen, but it's doing its own little thing. So what are you gonna do? Technology, right? So if you guys enjoyed the video, please down below, comment down below what you guys want to see in the channel. Destructive, building the cars, or just destroying them. Fun. And if you guys like iRacing, which I don't think you guys like iRacing, but yeah, so, or building go karts. So subscribe to the channel. Cheers, takes a lot of dreams. Don't let anything wait. Stay Maverick.